Good morning. It is July 4. Starting elevation is 52 meters above sea level. We are going downhill here in Susana Heights, Muntinlupa. We just came from Everest Hills Memorial Park. So this is a descent. July 4, 2026, Saturday, 6:43 a.m. So, this portion of Susana Heights for this morning, there are joggers, runners, walkers, cyclists, on-road bikes, gravel bikes, and mountain bikes. I myself, I'm on my Foxter mountain bike, 27.5 yung laki ng gulong, weight is 1.95. So we just recently upgraded the rear wheel. Bagong palit yung hubs niya from threaded na cogs, pinilitan natin to cassette type. So yung range niya from 30, yung cassette, yung threaded is 13 to 32. So ngayon yung cassette type, mas malaki yung range, 11 feet, 40 feet. So, bagong lacing, mga spoke, bagong spoke, lacing, tensioning, tubing. Yung natira na lang ay yung rim. So, lahat ng nasa likod, spokes, nipples, cassette, yung hubs. And then last 6 months ago, napalitan natin yung bottom bracket from threaded. Pinilitan natin ng hard type. Alright. Later on, pagdating natin sa National Highway, check natin yung elevation. So, cobbled. Alright. So far, tama naman yung pagkaka-place natin ng spokes. Then, bago pa yung hubs. So, may tunog mayaman. Alright. Humps. Mark. Okay. So ito ay inireklamo sa Alabang Bulletin. Itong lubak na to on my right. Laki nga naman. If you're not familiar, fuck ka dun. Fuck. Alright. We're over. For the bridge over South Super Highway, South Expressway. So, di na tayo pumipigal. So, from 51, nasa 42 meters above sea level. Decrease of 9 meters. speed 30.1. Dito tayo sa left dahil pagdating sa national, pagdating doon sa corner, magle-left tayo. 32.3 speed, kilometers per hour, 33.6. We're not pedaling. Alright. So 22 meters above sea level ang elevation. Alright, alright, alright. So ayun na, up ahead yung corner. Alright. Thank you for riding with me. Thank you for watching. Ride safe all.